Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily hide the taskbar in your Windows 11 PC. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. So first we need to go to settings, so you can go to settings from here. Excuse me, I'm gonna tap on start and then go to settings and then you choose personalization and then you go to taskbar settings. So it's going to be this one right here. You can access these settings from here, or you can access them from a shortcut by simply right clicking here and then you go to taskbar settings and it's gonna look like this. Now you're gonna go ahead and scroll down until you find taskbar behavior. It's going to be this one right here. It's going to be saying taskbar behavior if your settings are in English. So let's go ahead and tap on taskbar behavior and then you go ahead and select hide automatically. So once you tap on hide automatically, as you can see, our taskbar is hidden and it won't show up until you hover around it with your mouse like that. As you can see, that's how you do it, guys. Now if you don't like this option or this setting, you just uncheck the hide automatically button or phrase right here and it should appear right back up just like that. Now I think this is a very cool setting, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it enabled. As you can see, there is no button to apply or to save the changes. You just go ahead and check this and then you should be good to go. As you can see, if you don't move the mouse, the taskbar is going to change or it's going to hide. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.